Hi everyone. I'm trying talking and share with my issue to you. Today's topic is in the dark kingdom, a human being is guest. This is some strange topics because in the earth and all of living places host is human beings. That all of us, even the animals, is not considered as a host. But here is topic is the dog is the host. Dog's kingdom is dog is host. And guest is human being. This is very strange because we think as that is all human is bought from the markets or dog markets. Dog, or children of dogs is child dog is bring from dog market to the home. In the home then is human beings feed the dogs. So there is any questions because human beings feed the dogs, but also human being help all of dogs. So most of human being regard as that is usually just dog is must be host is human being. Dog is there's any value of guest, just own animals. But this is some meaningful, but I think this is not because truly, human beings' eyesight may be 2 meter minus 10, 20, but actually dog is must be 70 centimeter high, even 70 centimeter high. But and then maybe 1 meter 80 or 90 or 70, then maybe 70 cases it is 1 meter, and then 90 is 9 centimeter or whatever, 1.10 centimeter, 1 meter per centimeter, like that. But this is maybe it's not matter to the to the dogs. Dogs matter is 70 centimeter. And then dog is 4 legs runs, and dog is whatever. So this is I called as a dog's world. So then maybe same place, human being to a dog, then dog will see only human being legs. So then it's a leg of human being is nothing. But as a leg of human being is eye of dog is something. Here is can do it. But legs, human being of legs cannot do it. So that here 70 centimeter is can doing is dog world. There's a majority, mostly dog eyesight is within 70 centimeters. So dog eyesight is, ground to ground to 70 centimeter is dark's world. So dark is strong point in the dark world. But human beings do not think this. And then human beings think that is dark is just only human beings, societies, animals. But actually not. Dark kingdom of darks is host. So that on the just 70 centimeter dark's territory. Here is dark's territory. Dark's territory. In here, if a human being is useless, because human being is in this place kneeling down like this. But only this place is dark's useful, place. So actually dark's major is dark's major is dark's watch home at a height 70 centimeter. In this place, other animals must invade to the house or home. Then dark's depends it. This is a dark's role player. Dark's role play. So-called dark work in the point of human being. Most human beings think as human beings think as that the dog is human being's family. Most think that dog is human being's pet, but it is not. A dog think as human being as dog's family. So here is dog's 70 centimeter kingdom is dog is major worker. Because in this height, human being work probably zero. So that in this place, dog's world place is dog is power, but human being is zero. The same as in this place, dog is major and human being is what is the guest. So truly in these same places, just same place, human being living places, dog living places, it's not same place. Even same places, but even not same, because dog's role and human being role different. Actually, dog's world is here, maybe 70 centimeter dog's here. Dog's maybe territories. But human being innocent, nothing, anything. Just own human being think dogs, because human being model do not know it. Dogs, just dogs nailing, barking, and showing good for the human being. That is just human beings touch the body, dog's body. So only dog, human being is nothing. Just to touch the dogs, but dog is feeling good. That is simple, that is simple. Just human beings regard as dog is a pet, but truly dog is very, intelligence. Because dog's intelligence, dog's intelligence, what's that? 70 centimeter height, governed by dogs. So that 70 centimeter height governed dogs. Dog has strategy. Dog must show to the human being show what is bright, and what is that? Help human being excitement. This is dog's strategy. Why dogs in the dog's strategies? Why dog show to the human being loyalty, and focus for human being. Okay. This is dog's role play and dog's work. So that dog's working is living well with human being. The human being who is deep stress. So human being deep stress, this is dog's business. So human beings do not know it because all tired out of human-to-human relationship. So human beings come back home, then dog's business begin. Wailing voice that, and also just all showing. If occur, dog's work is just height 70 centimeter. So in this place, dogs work for human being. And actually dog's world at 70 centimeter. Who show? Only show up usual time. The host just the human being home. So a dog see at first leg and see eye up to human being eye. So that the dogs or dog check human being's eye, who are tired, who are tragedy and sad. So then what is that? A dog to be solving human being feeling too bright make. This is a dog's work. This is dog's work. This is dog's work. This is dog's work. Dog's work. So that dog is automatically gets gather just working expenditure cost from human being to a dog. So a dog is a dog feel that low income. Dogs work for human being. So a dog do not feel thanks of human beings. Dogs giving dogs food because all dogs work for human being is keep constant loyalty, do not change. The dogs all work or consideration to the human being. Mostly just people think as the dog is just pet or a dog is what they do not watching dogs working. But dogs, in the point of dog, keep work for human being. Keep work. So then a dog keep watching height 7 centimeters. This is automatically watching. So that this is this is a dark space keeping, truly not for human being, but for dark itself. Because dark territories dark is depends of dark space, or dark depends, or dark's kingdom, space, territory. But human beings do not know it. Why dark is barkings, or strangers coming? Why dark is barking? Is dark depends for dark keep territory, space, kingdom, space, territory. So that human beings misunderstand the dark's behavior, dark's behavior, just it must be human being misunderstand all over territory owned by human being, but it is not. Just all animals, kingdoms are their animal height is their kingdom. So that all of livings, all of living of creatures are living strategy. So then, a dark strategy is help human being, and on the human being living place is dark's safe kingdom. Yes. Just one day, I got some strange thinking is occurred to me, so I share on this time with you. Thank you very much my hearing, my lecture.